Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about WIF, a bit of Dogwifhat. Okay, we're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis perspective, and we're going to be breaking down the price and looking at some price predictions and also some potential areas where we could actually place some trades and make some decent profit. Okay, so let's start off with a Dogwifhat from a sort of a broader perspective and see where it's currently at. So, in terms of the ranking, Dogwifhat is currently ranked in 36th position out of every single cryptocurrency in the world, which is quite impressive to say the least, considering it's simply a dog with a hat. Okay, currently priced at around near enough $2.50 per token, and you can see here on the daily that it's actually down 3.37%. Now, that is fine, okay, because if you actually look at if we just look at the chart ever so quickly, we've been going up for a little while. Okay, it's absolutely fine to take a little bit of a dip down. It just it does hurt when it's quite a nice if you're holding a big part of this as your portfolio. It will hurt if you see a decline of around 3%. All right. So there's a few things there, but in terms of the market cap, $2.48 billion with a supply of near enough $1 billion itself. That's why the price of the coin will usually equal the exact sort of market cap, right? So yeah, definitely a good thing to know there if the supply is usually $1 billion. Okay, so let's get into the chart and let's really break this down together. Just before we get into the chart and before we look at some really potential profitable trades here for WIF, I want to talk to you guys quickly about Freedom Fighters. Okay, Freedom Fighters is basically it's a meme coin. Okay, it's a meme coin that is pitching Magatron, which is obviously Trump, and Karma Cop Karma Cop, which is obviously the other candidate, right? So Karma Cop 9000, and they're having like a big showdown, a big debate, and the users will actually get rewarded to participate in the debate in the token. Okay, so there's a few things going on there. Definitely something to go check out. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. I just wanted to bring that to your attention there, because obviously we've got the elections coming up in a week or so, and it's very, very likely that meme coins like this are going to have explosive price action. Okay, so there is currently a pre-sale, and they have raised just over $250,000 here. So overall, it's looking pretty good. If you guys did want to get involved with this and take part in this interesting meme play here for the election, Ethereum, BNB, Base Chain, Solana, USDT, or USDC as well. Simply connect your wallet and just get involved with it there. And you can also stake your tokens and earn passive income throughout the election as well. Pretty cool stuff. Now back to WIF, and let's really break down this chart together. So you can see here WIF, as we said at the start of the video, we've seen quite a nice bit of upwards momentum here for WIF. We have seen a nice uptrend here, and we saw our low basically back in August, and from there it's just been higher low galore. Really, it's been really strong here, and we are seeing some decent price action just across the board, which is great to see here. But what I would say here, and something that we do need to be very vigilant of, is of course this trend line here to the upside. Okay, we can see we're flirting around the idea of holding this level as support. Haven't quite done that yet, and most recently we have actually dipped down again into this chart pattern. Okay, so this could mean more downside. If it does, then what I'm really looking for that confirmation here is to lose the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement zone. Now that 0.5 is at around $2.30 there, and that will mean potentially big dips down. The first dip will be around 3.4%, okay, going down to this level of a horizontal there, and then potentially even further down to lower Fibonacci's or even lower higher low areas on sort of the micro uptrend that we have seen there. That will mean a decline of around 15% FYI, and the confirmation for that will be losing the 0.5. Now, usually when we lose the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, guys, that tends to usually mean a reversal of the trend. Okay, so when we do that, it's quite likely that the trend is going to reverse from this uptrend to this downtrend. Okay, so a few pointers to be looking out for there within the next couple of days or so, depending on the price action of Bitcoin, depending on the weekend that we're going to be coming into now, obviously ending October. There's a few factors up in the air. Of course, we've got the elections as well. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled. That's what I will be looking for a nice little short position for WIF if we are going for longs, okay? If the market does pick up, because it can pick up on a Friday, we've seen this multiple times, the breakout scenario here for me is going to be clean, and it's going to be worth around 17%. It will be a measure move, like you can see here. As you can see, measure move, breaking to the upside, and that will be up at around $3.57. It's a little bit far-fetched for my liking right now. I probably would just say we're probably going to flirt around in this sort of sideways area for now, and then we see a break later on, maybe early next week. But best case scenario, we break to the upside and we get into a nice long and make 17%. Worst case scenario, we sat there, we're chilling, we're waiting for a break to the downside, and we make 15%. So overall, it's not looking too bad here for WIF. Let's bring up some volume-weighted ATR bands here very, very quickly here, because as I said, I don't want to keep you guys too long. Those ones, we'll bring up these ones and look at very pinnacle points. I mean, you can see we've got the 4-hour and we've got the 12-hour. Look at these guys. They're collided together here, and usually when we see a test of these in the same sort of candle here, we see big rejections. Okay, so it's definitely a point to really be looking out for there. If we do see a break to the upside, maybe not 17%, we're probably looking at something a little bit lower than that, which is more realistic at around a 5% move. Okay, I'm happy with a 5% move. That's good money for me. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to say about WIF. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this TA. And also, guys, just remember, go check out Freedom Fighters if you want to profit off basically this election. Okay, the election is going to be very volatile. There's going to be a lot of memes thrown around here, a lot of money to be made. I'm talking millions and billions of dollars here. So if you are looking for sort of a meme project that has done well, go check out Freedom Fighters, because their brand identity is on point. Okay, and I really think that this does have pretty big potential coming into this election. It's very apt. Okay, that is gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Again, links are in the description for everything that we spoke about in this video. Drop a like if you found some value here. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.